That sounds honestly delicious. Especially since I had like next to nothing for breakfast today.
Just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination.
Oh, completely forgot.
Lieutenant,
Yes, sir.
you have fulfilled your tree.
I recently got the Blue
We are
Yeti,
ready to return
so
to
compared
base.
to a lot of my
Not so
older
fast, Lieutenant.
uploads
Just
and
because
whatnot,
we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should
other than the older Ratchet and Clank stuff,
destroy.
the audio, my audio at least, should sound a lot better than what it used to. Mind you, the one thing I don't like about the Yeti is it picks up like my controller sounds and shit like that, so that's it's kind of a negative, because then you hear like me mashing buttons if I'm dying or like touching my desk. But other than that, a lot better audio, and I am content with it. Now I can go this way. Yep. I'm also quite excited for some future recordings that I'm gonna be doing with other YouTubers. By this point, it should already be out. At least one of the videos should be out by this point, I would hope. I'm gonna do some stuff with the 50s Viking on the Threshold channel. That should be fun. And then a couple other people were like, hey, we should do videos sometime, so I don't know when that's gonna come up or out or anything like that, because they were just like, hey, let's do stuff, and I'm like, okay, when? But the videos with the 50s Viking will actually be like coming out in the next probably month, so within February time, because we already have plans to get together and play some stuff. Mind you, I'm not sure what we're gonna play because he is picking the games for the first time, so I have no idea what we're gonna play. Little nervous, but still should be fun, so I'm definitely getting excited for that stuff. This guy's like working out. He's like, oh yeah, I'm the boss, I'm awesome, yeah. Just shit myself. Gotta go. Just fucking crapped my pants.
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you
That
need to know
planet
about
has the worst
BTS,
enemies
Blob
ever.
Tactical Research Station.
Ever.
I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Drek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant.
We want you to be the test dummy. We want you to get sucked up, spat out, and explode at the end.
Now we're talking.
PTS.
See all the cool
You're gonna get some
gadgets
fucking
there, maybe? Let's go
PTSD
get
from
some.
going there.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am.
Sure, we need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
Ah, you think too much. Come on, let's go.
Come on, I want new shit. Stop listening to the logic and listen to me. A Lombax set currently only cares about himself, because he's only lived with himself and never had parents or anyone else to care about, because he was on a planet with fucking frogs as the inhabitants. Mind you, Ratchet becomes very loving in the future games. He goes from go fuck yourself to man, I love you. Man, I'm gonna search around the galaxy to find you. And I'm gonna save some random galaxy that I don't even give a shit about. Mind you, I think he just started doing that for fame. See, this is what I'm talking about. The black bolts, because this is like a really greasy ghetto shit place. So they're like, here, have black bolts. I love the logic of this game. These some greasy brown ones. Well, golden brown, if anything. Oh, shit. Yeah. Why is everyone so aggressive? I haven't even done anything to anyone. I show up, I'm like, hey guys, what's up? And they're like, we're gonna fucking saw you in two. And let's be fair, if this was in any way realistic, this game, I would be dead. I would get hit by one of those saws, and my innards would become outers. But, you know, it's not like you need your intestines or anything inside your body. Cut my spine in two? I don't need that to live. I'll just, like, hover around. I'm intelligent enough to, like, float. I just got a Facebook message. Note to self. Turn off notifications in the future. Come back here. Come on, man. I just want to be your friend. Also, I'm currently recording on my computer because, or like recording with my computer because logic. And I was like, I'm gonna let my girlfriend watch because she said she could. And as soon as I mentioned hovering like upper torsos, she looked at me with the most questioning look of, what the fuck crack are you on, Ryan? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Okay, this asshole. Oh, God. Fuck you. And now to turn off notifications on my phone because notifications are bad. Delay that for 8 hours. That seems good. I should be done recording in 8 hours, I think. I will attack from above. They will never see it coming. I am like an assassin. I am the Assassin's Creed. Oh, so if no one's ever played Assassin's Creed, like the first one, legit, that is how that guy pronounces Assassin's Creed. Like, the main villain by the end of it. He's like, Assassin's Creed. It's like, what the fuck are you... What the fuck lisp is that? I'm surprised I haven't got any new ammo for like the weapon you're supposed to get in this place. Because the ammo boxes, there is some like mystery, like you'll get whatever you have type deal. But there is some, in at least this game, where they designate what you get. And they usually designate it to the newest weapon that you should have. And they just vary in it from each level from what you should have, not what you actually have. So, I'm kind of surprised that I haven't got any for the new weapon at all. Ow. Fuck you. Oh, there it is. There it is. Love of Doom. I love that weapon so much. It's so useful, especially if you beat the game, get enough gold bolts to upgrade it. Then they give you giant golden dogs that are like bigger than you to track down and explode on the enemies. Like, they literally kill everything. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. So useless. I'm almost at $15,000. Nice. Enjoyable. Quite. Oh god. Doing dukes. Can't hit this, bitches. And there's the money. Hey guys. We're friends, right? Okay. Guys, friends. Friendship, man. Hey buddy. Hey, it's the suck cannon. I'm gonna suck you up and then spit you out. Just like... No, never mind. I'm not gonna finish what I was insinuating there.
Enemies must be small enough to fit inside the hull.
Oh, so bad. I don't even want to use the suck cannon. That's cheating. Okay. I completely forgot how to like instantly throw my wrench without like aiming and all that crap. Just figured it out. Oh, there we go. I nipped it on the top of the head.